Ture merongene na inye kurwa ase subcounty ya Kisii Central nigo chiacha kabena matemo kirasi gi 12 batineni nigo bagendrete gose nigo bagendrete ko basemia aborokiwa gwetanga kura ndobongainireria una Daniel Ontiri agutamanya
chingaki aborokigwa bekirasi 12 barenge gocha kabene amatemwa abo asa masakarare manyikanite buna theory asense ya Kenya inse ya wizara y'ikisemi kurwase sub county ya Kisii Central container ya matemo yo nigo yegurwa ense mo ya mambia murobirio uragwa no mu DCC Joseph Mwangi nabo bwatani au bekisemi ukwana chingaki echo Mwangi nigasingira igoro yobwasyoku no gwetanga kurwaso bongainiria wangencho chinde chonsi chingaki amatema yo harache kwagendera.
We are urging them to be very careful. We want to retain very high level of integrity for this exam. We don't want to get closed. We don't want them switching off CCTV. We will be monitoring. Myself and my director here, we will be going round and we will be checking what is happening. We are really discouraging any fishy thing to happen in the school.
Ise yebo bisa buburendi babere hasi kira eskuru igo akwanira igoro yogosemeri kwae buna chikamera chonsi cha CCTV nchichi kulimigwa chingaki amatemwa yogendrete nechisimi chonsi hachi skuru chirimigwe na kugachwa asoko enekia obwegenwa.
Officer will be going loud ensuring that there is security within the compound. The other one will be securing the exam materials and also the phones. The phones will be locked somewhere and the police officer will be guarding them as he guard the exam.
Rero aborokigwa aiga Kenya niko baikiransira lisakara ly'umuremo w'esabu ose maths paper 1 nechisa cha mugaso bakora chemistry paper 1 asemambia mapema abarachigo chaka nelisakara ly'esabu litangani ose maths paper 1 no muremo w'egesongo lisakara lya kabere chingaki cha mugaso.
We are headed to Christmas festivals, and we know it is a long holiday. Those KCSE students who have finished, they should remember that in January they will be in senior school, so they take care of themselves. And I'm urging parents to just develop a keen interest in what the children will be doing. This time is too long, and there are so many things that might happen in between, and especially on a drug consumption, that is smoking of bangi, consumption of illicit brews. I would wish parents to take a keen interest. These children, we need them in January in senior school. We don't want them to get lost in between.
Nkuruboterega tseni kya Getembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letere nenguru kwa Daniel